it up. Tryna mess it up, yeah. Tryna make excuses to make yourself feel better, yeah.
Hey guys, it's Ella, and today I'm doing an actual makeup video. But basically, I've not really done one before. Like, I do makeup, but I've not filmed it. Well, I have, but I ain't uploaded it. So, yeah, I'm just gonna be like glam, gold, purples, and everything. Yeah, so let's get on with the video. Guys, I'm just gonna quickly do my eyebrows. No, wait, I'll just do them on camera. So yeah, I'm doing my eyebrows right now. Okay, so I'm braiding on. Yeah, I'm going to do my eyebrow. I'm going to just do one. So yeah, I'll be back in a minute when I'm not going to grab it. Oh, it's going to go so wrong. I'm back. Well, I'm not really done. I'm just going to quickly carve out my brows with the... I don't think this is my right shade. I got more than one. Yeah, that was one. The Lasting Perfection Collection. No, Collection Lasting Perfection concealer. So I'm just going to quickly carve them brows out. Right, oh my god, I'm going so wrong. So I'm back from carving and prime my eyelids. So I'm just going to zoom you guys in. So I'm decided to do a voiceover. So right now I'm using my Morphe 35T palette and just blending a transition shade into my crease. And obviously blending, and blending. Yeah. So I took another shade that's a bit darker than my transition. I can't see it. And just like putting that on the outer corner and blend it into the crease. Yeah. And then I'm using my Morphe MB23 brush, that rounded end, just to blend everything in. And I think I've took a darker colour, I'm not sure, because I did it because you couldn't really hear me on the other videos, so I was like, okay. Then I decided to make it a bit darker, so I started using like dark purples and everything, and I'm blending the harsh lines out. Yeah. So then I took another brush and just blended it all in together. And then I did an even more purpley purple. And I took gold and just placed on my lid. On this bit I used an eyeliner to put on my lid. And it's a bit strange, but I thought that's glitter and throw. And my eyes look like I've got a demon inside me. It's not, it's just the light. So I'm back from doing my eyeliner. And now I'm going to get on with my face. The first thing I'm going to do is use some badescu. No, I'm joking. I'm going to use my MAC Strobe cream. And I don't want shade. Oh wait, what shade is this? This is peachlite. So it's on the back of my hand. My eye makeup may look different. No, I don't. I just wasted that. So I'm using my Mario Badescu. I just can't see it. Oh, it might run mad down. No, Look, I'm running out. Oh, I like the taste of it. I'm going to focus you straight on my face. That's it, mister. Because I don't, that's what I want you to do. Wait, what's there now? I can put this on. Oh my god. What? I did a mistake. Oh, I ain't even wet my boot there. Blender. You thought wrong. No, I'm joking. Oh, Paris. So then I'm going to apply some foundation. I think because I'm less tanned, I don't know how, from like 2 days ago. I'm gonna use my collection Lasting Perfection foundation in SPF 20 oil free. Because I've got naturally oily skin. So Booty the blended. Oh, it's so hard, this blender. I really hate it. Is everything in? Natural me. What is that then? I don't know. Now, so I'm just going to take this brush and quickly bronze up and contour that contour. Well, that didn't make sense. Yeah. Why am I contouring? I ain't even used concealer under my eyes. Show yourself up here, perhaps. I can't work with this stuff anymore. No, I'm joking. I love YouTube. I've made like loads of accounts, but like then I end up deleting the videos, and then forget on getting a new phone, and then I end up like not uploading for a long time because I don't know, it's just hard. Yeah. Everybody wanna come on. Boom, 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 boom. Contour. I'm very dead. I'm dead at conversations altogether. Like, I can't even have a good conversation with my friends. Like, my conversations are dry. It's not blending out. Okay. Once we reflect on this video, like, oh, what the hell are you doing? Leave it intense, that contour. Okay. So that just happened. You know, I'm showing myself up here, making me look like I don't know nothing about makeup. Get some powder on my beauty. On my forehead, because I've got a big forehead. I don't know, I'm actually feeling my eyeshadow. Then, what can we start? Blusher. I'm using my MAC, it's a bit there. My MAC mineralising blush in Gentle. This is my favourite brush. Then, do my lipstick, and then my, oh, why am I doing lipstick? I don't do my highlight yet. I think I want to go with this though, my matte. I'm doing mixture. What is that there? I love my nose highlight. My face was really patchy on camera for some reason. Patchy patchwork, hello. I'll go with my Jeffree Star Peach Goddess. Because I'm a goddess. It looks very pink on camera. I don't even know either. Boom, 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 boom. Oh my god, my inner colour highlights that. Oh my god. Let me make the word blind. My back's really hurting. Now, lip time. But this lip line is not going to be the same as my lipstick. So I'm lining my lips again. Well, not again, but hello there. Yes. I don't know why I'm doing this for so long. But yeah, enjoy watching me do my lips. So then I'm going to use this, my Jeffree. And it's not the colour, but you know. Jeffree and Daddy. So yeah, so this is a finished look. Sorry, I get a bit angry when things are out of place. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed my video. Like, this is my first makeup, but it's like my eyeliner looks a bit dodgier. Sorry guys. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video, and if there's any new like challenges, trends, or like looks you want me to do, then obviously leave a comment or text me on my social medias. My social medias will be down below. And yeah, do you want to say anything, Paris?
No, just say thanks for watching.
Oh yeah, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Suggestions down below. Oh yeah, I love to see this, but yeah, that's no point. But yeah, bye.